Hi gang, let's go over 2F. So you can look back through the lecture. I gave you a graph of 1 minus cosine x over x. I was showing you that the limit as x goes to 0 is 0. Some of you also used a wonderful identity to solve it. You multiplied by the conjugate, and that works also. I'm just going to leave it at that, but you could certainly use the identity. You can look back at the graph. I also showed you this one. So this is another special trig limit. This one I showed you in lecture. This is 1. These are the indeterminate forms. You'll notice if you plug 0 in, you get 1 minus 1 over 0 or 0 over 0. Same thing here, sine is 0 over 0, 0 over 0. So I went over this in lecture. These were the two special trig limits. Again, you could use the conjugate to solve that out. And this one you can also flip it upside down and it would still equal to 1. Okay, for 2G, this is just a one-sided limit. So the one-sided limit, you're just going where you're bigger than 3, things like 3.1. Things like 3.1 are things that are bigger than 3, so you would just use this function. So you would do the limit as x goes to 3 from the right of x squared. So that would give you, let me not write it over again. That would give you 3 quantity squared, which is 9. Okay, so the answer to this one was 9. You got to be really careful when you read the question. Is the question a two-sided limit? Is the question a one-sided limit? The little plus or minus on the shoulder is everything. It's the tiniest part of the problem, and it's the most important. So you really have to pay attention to that, okay? All right, that's it on these two. I'll catch you in another video.